Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to our style journey. So in today's video I will share with you some beautiful, some most demanding and stylish casual wear, floral printed, block printed, check printed and plain top designs ideas for this summer season. You will find the quarter length sleeve tops, you will find the long sleeve tops. So it depends on your choice which type of sleeve you like to wear in the summer season. So these are the chiffon tops with floral prints, with abstract prints and block prints, and all of them are looking so amazing and beautiful. So just watch the video till the end for more designs and ideas. I hope you will really enjoy this collection of tops. If you are looking for new tops and new designs ideas, so you can visit my channel and check the playlist section. You will find a whole playlist on blouse and top designs, so you can get new ideas, new styles ideas, and hundreds of styles and designs of different type of tops for different occasions. So guys, for more designs and for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you will explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. All the designs are looking so amazing, so beautiful. So if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So guys, if you are loving these amazing top designs ideas, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how were the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation of my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel. Stay tuned for more such videos and more such amazing collections.